Since 2008, our company is developing gradually with honest and open policy. The first product range of waterproof TVs for bathroom and mirror TVs was launched in 2012, and it was completed then with kitchen TVs in 2013. Today we can say we are the leading company in Russia for built-in mirror TVs and bathroom TVs, and we are number one worldwide for kitchen cabin door TV lineup. Since our setup, more than 10,000 AO TVs were delivered to our customers all around the world.
We set up a dedicated headquarters in Europe in 2014. By sharing our ideas, we, together with Havel, improved the products to fit European market and taste in terms of design and specification. Some of our tailor-made products are assembled in our workshop in Agnières-sur-Seine, close to Paris, by using Havel Open Frame series. We mostly sell to consumer electronics retailers in Europe and B2B clients like luxury hotels, luxury brands, cruising boats, and premium residential housing.
In our specialized production workshop, we develop, test, and assemble carefully by hand all our models. Our assembly team works in accordance with specified procedure to maintain the highest quality standard. We chose the best components and professional suppliers to make sure every small part of our TV will be perfect. Our production leader supervises all the production steps from incoming material control and to product packing and shipping.